I reopen the session and request the promovendus to stand in front of the committee. Het college voor promoties van de Technische Universiteit Delft, vertegenwoordigd door de hier aanwezige commissie, heeft, na kennis te hebben genomen van uw proefschrift met stellingen en na uw verdediging daarvan te hebben gehoord met inachtneming van het bepaalde in de wet op het hoger onderwijs en wetenschappelijk onderzoek, besloot u de graad te verlenen van doctor. Ik verzoek de promotor door het college voor promoties als zodanig aangewezen zich wel van de hem opgedragen taak te kwijten.
Uit kracht van de bevoegdheid bij wet toegekend aan het college van promoties verklaar ik namens dat college, hier vertegenwoordigd door meneer de rector magnificus en de overige leden van de commissie, bij deze u, Meysam Naeimi, te bevorderen tot dokter en u alle rechten te verlenen welke aan de dokterstitel zijn verbonden. Ten bewijze hiervan overhandig ik u het diploma dat u recht geeft de titel dokter te voeren. Ondertekend door de rector magnificus en de promotoren en voorzien van het zegel van de Technische Universiteit Delft.
Gaat u zitten.
It is the promoter's privilege to be the first to congratulate the young doctor. Professor Lee, the floor is yours.
Thank you, meneer Director. Meysam, you was ranked #1 among all the BSc and MSc students in the same field at the University of Science and Technology of Iran, one of the best engineering schools in Iran. Before you applied for the position with us, you already had broad knowledge in civil, geo, and railway engineering, bridges, tunnels, earth retaining walls, and underground structures. One of your major tasks here was to develop a novel test rig that should generate the cracks under laboratory conditions that mimic as close as possible real-life operational conditions. So you see the long words of constraints. Not from a mechanical engineering background, you quickly picked up the knowledge necessary for the design of the test rig, and then you did a very exhaustive survey followed by mechanics, especially dynamics design, including similarity and strength. Late also experimental verification of its performance, the test rig. The initial plan for the test rig was quite modest, with a budget of 70,000 euro. In the course of the design, our ambition grew, and now it has already cost more than 1 million. I budgeted all our financial reserves on it and was for quite some time anxious to see how it would turn out. Now, with much relief and happiness, I can tell that the test rig has worked so far better than I expected in all the tested aspects. A successful piece of work with very important contributions from you. I'm very grateful to you for your patience with all the detailed calculations, sometimes repeated again and again. Not only the test rig works, the CT scan technique you developed also works. We have been planning to calibrate and verify the thermomechanical model, and without the COVID, it would have already been done. But then this piece of work is going to be continued. And for the CT scan, yesterday midnight, I received a very positive reaction from one of the very initiator of the project, J.J. Swar from Tata Steel, and he's very interested. He was almost impatient to apply it. So besides the good piece of PhD work, you also get married, and you are now a proud father of 2 children, Ryan and Andrea. You are now working as a senior inspector at the Human Environment and the Transport Inspectorate in the Ministry of Infrastructure and Water Management. and you would like to continue to collaborate with us in research. You are very much welcome, and I look forward to more fruitful collaboration with you, Meysam. I wish you a bright career.
Dr. Naeimi, you now have the right to use the title of doctor. Your doctorate means that society can rely on your judgment, that you act transparently, and that you independently communicate your results and the social relevance of your work. In other words, your doctorate implies academic integrity. I wish you much success with the responsibilities that come with your new status. And on behalf of the Board for Doctorates of Delft University of Technology, I congratulate you and your family on earning your doctoral degree. Dr. Naeimi, you may take your seat again. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you for your presence, and this session is closed.
Committee members, stay online, please. We will make some pictures, and later on you may congratulate each other. Komt u?
Congratulations. You know that I'm an outsider in your field, but you know also that the main purpose of the oral defense is to make clear that the candidate is the author of the thesis. And in that sense, you fully succeeded in making clear that you are the author. So congratulations again. I hope you enjoyed your defense. I also hope that this was one of the highlights of your life. Yeah. We also have a small present for you from this university, and this present should look quite familiar to you. But now it's a very special copy of your thesis because it's decorated with signatures and remarks from every member.
Thank you very much. Professor Bolliver, please.
Congratulations, Meysam. I think you did a good job. We have a nice test rig. We can go on. Also, you go on in Holland, so together with your family. So good luck, and hopefully we see you back. As a guest, as a researcher, you can have a connection with us. No problem. It's always a good work with you. You're always very high speed, ongoing with production. But okay, let's see how we can continue. So I look forward to that, and all the best in your career.
Thank you very much. Professor Lee, please.
Congratulations, Meysam. It was some long time, but then you did a very good piece of work, and all those works, and all those are going to be continued, and continued not only with some small efforts, all are going to be continued with major efforts. So then we continue and to collaborate further, and then I look forward to a more fluid outcome very soon.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Professor Wolfe, please.
First of all, of course, also congratulations. It's a pity that we cannot shake hands, so I really do it like this, because I think it's really a memorable day for you. I hope it's still, given the circumstances, still a kind of party for you today. Regarding my, let's say, defense and our small dialogue which we had, I don't hope that you felt a bit, you know, overwhelmed with the type of dynamic view to the world, because my background is, I did my PhD with Professor Metrikin, so I was really doing something in wave mechanics, so I'm a little bit, not so much looking, I would say, from the detailed material side, but really I enjoyed our discussion, and I wish you a very nice day.
Thank you very much. Professor Naeimi, maybe you would like to congratulate our young doctor, please?
Yeah. Me? Yeah. Look, I think for you it's an emotional day, and it's also a milestone, and congratulations and well done. You did a fantastic job, and this is a small word. I am really looking forward to meeting you one day face to face and to discuss more on this topic. Best wishes in your future.
Thank you very much. Professor Fletcher, please. Please unmute.
You're muted, yeah.
Well done and congratulations on today, and thank you for all your answers to the many questions I put for your thesis. Well done, and I hope to see you maybe at a contact mechanics conference in the future.
Thank you very much. Professor Sietsma, please.
Yes, congratulations, Meysam, and thank you also for the good collaboration that we had during the project. You had shown already in your thesis that you have developed really into a high-level railway engineer, and you very convincingly confirmed that today. So I'm sure Dutch society will benefit from your skills and your motivation to work here. And I wish you lots of success, and thank you very much.
Thank you very much. And finally, Dr. Nunes Vincenzo, please.
Congratulations, Meysam. We share office for some time, and then I learned a lot about the railway field with you, and I appreciate very much all that interaction. You are also very open, very brilliant in, we had a cooperation in a field that was not your background, but still we could work in it together, and it was fantastic. So then, I wish you all the best for all to come, and then I'm sure that we will see each other around again.
Thank you very much. Dr. Naeimi, maybe you would like to say a few words to your committee members, please?
Yes, with pleasure. I would like to use this 1-minute opportunity to express my gratitude to all of you. Performing this doctoral research was only possible thanks to the support of my friends, colleagues, and collaborators. I would like to sincerely appreciate my promoter, Professor Zili Li, who has also been my daily supervisor in the past year's entire PhD program. I'm deeply grateful to him for his supportive attitude, sharp ideas, frequent motivations, and technical assistance during the PhD. I also like to appreciate my other promoter, Professor Rolf Dollefot, for his constant support, suggestions, inspiring words, and technical feedbacks. His attitude toward offering a world-class research and education in the field of railway engineering was just amazing. And last but not least, I would like to appreciate all of you, the other committee members, for spending time on reading and evaluating my thesis. That was my greatest honor, to be judged by you at such high academic level. But due to Corona, it was very difficult, and it was impossible to have you here as a host in Delft. But hopefully one day we may have the chance of drinking the best wine together in a COVID-free world. Thank you all. Cheers.
Thank you very much. This will be the end of this event. You are all invited at the reception, so please follow my colleague. He's waiting over there for you. But beware, take care of our corona rules. Take something to drink and maybe to eat, and then sit down, please. And also, please wear your face mask from now on until the reception. Thank you very much.